Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a little bit of a weird video. You're probably looking like, this is a really weird angle and you kind of look a little different. Yes, it is a little different because we're going to be doing a super different video today. Today I want to do a super cool DIY video, and what we're going to be making is this adjustable 2-tier rolling garment rack. Basically, just the garment rack is what you need to know. I thought it would be super fun to record this video and see if you guys like videos like this. If you like the whole DIY video type, then let me know. If you guys think that these are kind of cool because it's different, let me know. I'm super into DIY videos, so I figured you guys may like it. I'm not going to be following the instructions because I never do, so we're going to see how well I do with that and how awful this really could be. So just let me know if you guys are excited and keep on watching. So these are the parts. There's my ring light. It's my backdrop that I'm gonna put up later once this is done. But this is it, you guys. This is it. Now, let's get started. I'm just gonna be sitting here on the floor trying to get it ready, and you guys will watch me just go back and forth across the floor to fix it. So instructions. This is the wrong instructions. We're already off to a great start. I'm referencing to this picture, by the way. This is the Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Lip Seed Oil from NYX in the shade Sheer Leaf. There you have it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.